lovely day to ride a bike. A little bit overcast, which makes it perfect, to be honest. There were parties in Bilbao yesterday, and I've cycled through the city, and I've already seen some guys just throwing up everywhere. It's to be expected after the parties, I guess. I'm gonna try and go up Peñas Negras today. Nice little climb. I went for the long sleeve because 20 degrees is cold to me now. Currently on 9 kilometers, 21 minutes. And yeah, so what I'll do is I'll come from this side and I'll go up the long drooling climb. I don't know if you can see the little tower at the top. I should be there or thereabouts. I'm now just following this dude and seeing where the trail takes me, really. I'd just stop here. So I'm up in the mountains of Peñas Negras, and yeah, over here we've got the beach of Musquith here, and then venga, this is where they make fuel in this little factory here, and then behind that you've got the beach of Musquith, and then yeah, I normally ride down into the beach along this path. I'm loving the ride all through nature. It's gorgeous. I don't know how many kilometers I'm going to put in today, but hopefully I can do a fair few. Happy. This is as good as it gets. Beautiful gravel path. These views, can't get them anywhere else. Woo. Going strong. I feel really good. I'm starting to feel really comfortable as well on the bike, which is nice. So relaxing. Oh, I love it. Happy. This is easily the most entertaining ride I've been on, and there's not too many people around either. And just stopped by this little hut. Representing Iru. This is a Basque brand. Iru means 3 in Basque, and that's because Orbea have 3 companies, well, that I know of. So they've got Orbea, they've got Okuo, which are the wheels, and then they've got Iru, which is their clothing brand. A very nice jersey if you're in the market for one. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I used to work for Bilbao and I don't anymore. It's an incredible company to work for, incredible people, incredible brand. Unfortunately, I don't have their bike. Maybe one day. km/h in a pretty strong gear. Woo! That's the good stuff right there. Just come off the gravel section, back on the road. Mucho mejor por mi culo, porque con tiempo en el gravel duele un poco, pero ahora está mucho mejor. There are definitely going to be some PRs on Strava today. I've absolutely bombed it down that hill. Easily. Probably golds on all. I probably smashed all my records there. I'll check that out when I go home. Woo! Going down like a 5% gradient for 5 kilometers. And I've just been pedaling to the max the whole way. You'll be glad to know I'm heading to my favourite bar. Oh, a bubble come on. Going to my favourite bar. Heading to La Marijuana, which is, I doubt I'll make it to 100, but I'm gonna eat a tortilla. I know that much for sure. Tortilla and Aquarius. Haba. And that's it. Woo, woo. Can't wait.
Hola.
Hola, un Aquarius, un agua y... ¿Qué es esa? ¿Solo queso?
Jamón y queso.
Jamón y queso, sí, yo no di jamón y queso, por favor. Oh. Just as good as last time. Oh. The best Spanish omelette, hands down. I think I'm going to increase the rating on that tortilla. Last time I said an 8.5 out of 10. It's definitely in the 9 club. That is a 9 out of 10 tortilla. So tasty. I mean, oh, the cheese on the top with the ham. Oh, I've got a full belly now and I feel nice and warm inside. That is like the most homely. Oh, it's just that makes me so happy eating one of those. Perfect day for a ride. Not too hot. Now I'm just gonna head home. Should end on about 75 kilometers. Whew. So, just checking the old stats on my Sigma ride now, and here's the crazy map that I did. So yeah, I went into the gravel section, then turned back, went down to the beach to eat in La Marijuana, and yeah, so I covered 80 kilometers, which is the longest ride I've ever done, in a total time of 3 hours and 20 minutes. I was riding at a pretty good pace throughout. I was doing about 25k an hour. Well, it says there actually, it'll tell you my speed. I was doing 24.19 kilometers per hour, which is a decent average speed for me. Anyway, the actual train time was 3 hours and 19, and I was out for 4 hours. But that includes the stops as well. Like I stopped in La Marijuana bar, I don't have a Spanish mum or a Spanish gran, but if I did, that's the kind of tortilla that they would make for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like the video. I'm gonna get showered and watch Newcastle beat Bournemouth. I hope.